medicines, and emergency management. During his college years, he served as president of the Azad Mediscope or Association Student Union and was active in Resident Doctor Association and the Delhi Medical Association. Dr. Nitin has performed in a number of fashion and dance performances. Shamak Dawar Dance Group has taught him how to dance and choreograph. He has participated in fashion shows put on by Big FM, Red FM, Delhi Tourism, and other organizations. He has also directed short motivational videos on child sex abuse, smoking, environmental pollution. He has launched many projects, and one of his projects is Project Jeet. Project Jeet is an effort that aims to empower transgender people and integrate them into society. It entails offering the transgender people training in areas such as computer, dance, security, cuisine, and administration, as well as connecting them to the supply chain. This initiative currently has over 560 transgender people involved. Now, let me introduce you to about our organization. Basically, organizationally, we strive to serve the people in the most humane manner. To serve a wide spectrum of people in our society, our organization aims to offer aid to all. In a nutshell, we wish to safeguard and promote economic, social, political, and cultural justice for every human being. In order to achieve sustainability, we endeavor to achieve a holistic approach which encompasses not just humans, but nature, animals, in short, all living and non-living beings, which contribute to culture, development, and preservation of Earth. The beneficiaries of a program gamut from children to elderly, orphans to parents who are childless, regardless of their religion or race. We are perpetrated to encourage education for all the children so that they can break the shackle of poverty. Education and empowerment of women is our precedence. We intend to create a country where no one goes unnoticed through the wholesome economic growth. We believe it is our duty to ignite and motivate governments and people to create policies that are good for everyone by writing articles, publishing journals, translating and using other media. As we strive for a healthy and sustainable future for everyone, as a humanitarian organization, we aim to reach the remotest area of the country to assist those affected by natural disasters. Redix Educational Trust strives to extend its reach throughout India. We take a donation to support the good work done by the non-profit organization for the beneficiaries of people. These funds are exclusively used by Brilliant of Humanity. Now, I would request Sir to introduce the gold medalist of our organization. Sir, over to you. Sir, you are on mute.
Yeah, thanks for the nice initiative which you are doing, and it is really going to benefit at the grassroots level. So we have seen policy level at top-down approach, but what I have analyzed through all these PPTs that you are trying to integrate all these things, like you are associating so many volunteers, so many today you are going to give awards to these medalists. So such kind of spirit in these young blood should be kept alive, so that we can work at the grassroots level, and whatever the government is planning at as a top down level, but organizations like you are working from the downward up level. So it would be a kind of integrated approach if government sector and organization like you are working together. And I wish a good luck to all these gold medalists. And you want me to read out all the names, or somebody would be helping me?
So just the names of the students, that's it.
Yeah, sure.
There are 33 students, I guess, 32. So you just have to take the names.
Right.
Yes, sir. Vaishnavi?
So Mr. Hamza Zahid from Delhi Public School, Riyadh. So do we have him here, right here? So many congratulations, Hamza Zahid.
Hamza, are you here?
No, he is in school.
Mr.
Okay. Next slide.
So the next award is to Simi Bhandari, and she's from Zamia Millia Islamia University. And many congrats to you. Simi, are you here?
Next slide, Vash. She's not here, I guess.
Okay, so many congrats to Sanjana Gupta. She is from University of Calcutta. Well done, Sanjana.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, keep doing good work. So next one is Pragyan Manjari Nayak. She is from Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, Bhubaneswar. Many congrats to you, Pragyan. You are here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Keep doing the good work and best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Next one is Kajal Tomar. She is from Galgotias University. Kajal, many congrats to you. Are you here, Kajal? Next one is Taranpreet Kaur. She is from Chandigarh University. Taranpreet, very good work. Keep doing good work. Are you here?
So many people have the exam, that's why they have not joined the.
Yes. So no issue. We can move on to the next slide. The next one is Deepika Chaube. She's from Doon University.
Yes, sir.
So many best wishes,
Thank you so
Deepika.
much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, keep doing the good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Soumya Verma from University of Delhi. Many congrats to you, Soumya.
Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot.
Keep doing the good work. So next is Sanjeev Kumar Arora from Zakir Hussain College, Delhi University. Many congrats to you, Sanjeev. Dipanshi Nirman from Maitri College, Delhi University. Many congrats, Dipanshi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Next one is Janvi S from IGNU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Keep doing good work, Janvi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sabah Fatima from Mount Carmel College, Autonomous Institute from Bangalore. Keep doing good work, Sabah. Best wishes.
Thank you so much.
Next is Rashi Chaudhary from Nalsar, Hyderabad. Best wishes, Rashi. Keep doing
Thank
good
you,
work.
sir. Thank you so much.
Jaspreet Kaur from Lady Shri Ram College for Women, University of Delhi. Many congrats, Jaspreet. Keep doing good work.
Thank you, sir. It's an honor and a pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Rahmat Sakina from Indira Gandhi National Open University. Congratulations, Rahmat.
Thank you so much, sir.
Next is Tarun from Amity University, Rajasthan. Many congrats, Tarun. Keep doing good work. Next is Vaishnavi Tiwari from SVKM's Praveen Gandhi College of Law, Mumbai. Best wishes, Vaishnavi. Keep doing good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Next is Zeba Shamim from Ram Manohar Lohia, Awadh University, Faizabad. Many congrats, Zeba.
Sir, thank you so much. I'm so honored. Thank you.
Next is Simankar Pratim Deka from Madras University, Chennai. Very good work, Simankar.
Thank you.
Keep doing good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Next is Thana Hussain from Hindu College, University of Delhi. Many congrats, Thana Hussain. Keep doing good work. Alina Ali from Manipal University, Jaipur. Many congrats. Keep doing good work, Alina.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Next is Sahar Bashrat from Christ University. Many congrats, Sahar.
Thank you very much, sir.
Next is Ilma Shahid from University of Delhi. Many congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Next one is Dr. Varsha Naveen from JSS Dental College and Hospital, Mysore, and VLCC Institute of Beauty and Nutrition. Many congrats, Dr. Varsha.
Thank you so much, sir.
So next winner is Anuprita Chatterjee from Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. Many congrats, Anuprita.
Thank you, sir.
Next is Bhumika Israni from KG Somya Medical College and Research Center, Mumbai. Many congrats, Bhumika. Keep doing good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Next is Saeed Mehndi Kazim from Aligarh Muslim University. Many congrats, Saeed Mehndi.
Thank you, sir. It's an honor to receive it from you.
Yeah, keep doing good work.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Next is Gauri Agrawal from the IIS University. Many congrats, Gauri Agrawal.
Thank you so much, sir. It's an honor, sir. Thank you.
Next one is Garima Chawla from Punjab University. Many congrats, Garima Chawla. Keep doing good work. Best wishes.
Thank you so much.
Next is Rizvina D'Souza from Mount Carmel College, Autonomous Institute, Bangalore. Many congrats, Rizvina.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
The next is Nivedita Vasist from Dayalbagh Educational Institute, Agra. Many congratulations. Keep doing good work.
Thank you so much.
Next is Tanisha Gupta from Maitri College, University of Delhi. Best wishes, Tanisha. Next is Kritika Singh from Gargi College, University of Delhi. Best wishes, Kritika.
Thank you so much. It's been
Keep doing good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Next is Vedahi Vyas from Kirorimal College, University of Delhi. Congratulations, Vedahi. Next is Meenal Songire from SNDT Law College, Mumbai. Best wishes, Meenal.
Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, sir, I would like to request you to motivate us with your inspiring words.
Yeah, first of all, thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity. And I am really happy to interact with such a learned student and the youth who are working at the grassroots level and who are from different colleges. And the most important thing that they are from different parts of the country. And I wish कि आप लोग इसी तरह से as a team you keep on working and doing the good work. And I was told to speak something about UPSC civil services, कि how to do the preparation and how to do the time management, how to keep yourself motivated. So as I always say in my seminars that you have to decide your goal first. If your goal is in front of you, then the journey becomes quite I can say quite happy and enjoyable. You can keep on enjoying each and every movement of the journey for the preparation, may it be UPSC civil service or may it be any other exam. The journey for the goal should be enjoyed. And what I did is that I faced many failures during my preparation for UPSC civil service examination. So I kept on, I just pasted my mark sheet in front of me so that it keep on reminding me that I am just a few marks away from the final cutoff. So if many of the aspirants who are applying for any exam, maybe it's UPSC or any other exam, if they are facing any kind of failure, just paste this in front of you and just analyze that कि वो आखिर gap कितना है. It might be of 2 marks gap, it might be of 10 marks gap. So you have done the base work, you just need to overcome that 2 marks, you just need to overcome that 10 marks. So वो जो 10 marks का जो आपको एनर्जी चाहिए वही आपको वो फिनिशिंग लाइन के बाहर लेके जाएगी. सो जस्ट कीप ऑन रिमाइंडिंग दैट यू हैव डन योर base work, you just need to overcome that finishing line. And as far as keeping yourself motivated throughout the week, I always say that you should divide your whole syllabus into different for example, एक हफ्ते का हम शेड्यूल बनाएं and next days just keep your study for 5 days and keep the 2 days as reserve, and in those 2 days 1 day should be for your enjoyment, क्योंकि you need your body to rejuvenate, to relax, so that आप हमेशा कभी फोन आपने देखा ना फोन हैंग हो जाता है, you need to restart it. So same is with your body. आप 5 दिन पढ़ाई करिए, 6वां दिन जो है you keep it for reserve for जो भी आपका सिलेबस छूट गया, एंड द 7th डे इज फॉर योर एंजॉयमेंट. आपको मूवी देखनी है, यू कैन गो फॉर मूवी. आपको म्यूजिक सुनना है, यू वांट टू चिल आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. सो जो लास्ट वाला जो 7th डे है उसमें आपको अपनी बॉडी को रीस्टार्ट करना है, जैसे आप अपने फोन को रीस्टार्ट करते हैं. तो व्हेन द नेक्स्ट वीक स्टार्ट, जब मंडे जब स्टार्ट होगा तो आप देखेंगे कि आप दोबारा से उसी एनर्जी के साथ आप पढ़ाई स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. सो अपने आप को इतना ओवर बर्डन कभी मत करिए कि हाँ 7 के 7 दिन मेरे को पढ़ाई करनी है. जस्ट कीप योर शेड्यूल फॉर 5 days, 1 day फॉर रिजर्व, जो भी आपका कुछ थोड़ा बहुत छूट गया है, 7th डे फॉर रिजुविनेटिंग योर सेल्फ. सो इस तरह से अगर आप पढ़ाई करेंगे और अपना जो आपका जो गोल है उसको अपनी आंखों के सामने हमेशा रखेंगे, तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली क्लियर एनी ऑफ द एग्जाम. एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. ये कोई मैं बहुत लंबी चौड़ी बात नहीं कह रहा हूँ, ये मैंने इस चीज को ट्राई किया था. एंड आई विश कि जो फ्यूचर वाले एस्पिरेंट्स हैं वो भी इस तरीके की स्ट्रेटजी को अपनाएं. एंड आई वांट टू सी यू एट योर ड्रीम पोस्ट, जो भी आपकी ड्रीम पोस्ट है, जो भी आपकी डेजिग्नेशन है, जो आप चाहते हैं, तो आप भी उस मुकाम तक पहुंचे. यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं. दीज आर माई बेस्ट विशेस and I wish the whole organization and whole team and all the aspirant a very good luck and a happy new year. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to invite Principal Kusya Anjum to give the thanks to Dr. Nitin Shakya. Kusya ma'am, are you here? आई थिंक उनके नेटवर्क में कोई इशू है. ओके, सो सर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर और हम लोगों को मोटिवेट करने के लिए, इतनी सारी चीज़ें बताने के लिए. एंड यू आर दी इंस्पिरेशनल फॉर अस. उसके अलावा बहुत सारा यूथ आपको फॉलो करता है. मैक्सिमम आपकी जो वीडियोस हैं उनको यूथ देखता है इस पे. और उसका जो आपका टेलीग्राम चैनल है, आपने जो बुक्स वगैरह लिखी हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक इनोवेटिव वे है तैयारी करने के लिए. क्योंकि आपकी जो बुक्स है एथिक्स के लिए जो आपने लिखी है उसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो वो ट्रेडिशनल बुक्स में नहीं मिलती. क्योंकि 2013 के बाद से जैसे ये आया है आपका एथिक्स, उसके बाद से जो चीज़ आई पहले कोई किताब नहीं मिलती. लेकिन आपकी जो बुक है वो बहुत ज़्यादा रियली इंस्पायरिंग और बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट है उसके लिए. तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग these things for all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So, Deepika, should we have
Yes.
to wrap up?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and for your inspirational word and for motivating us. And I would like to congratulate all and one and all present over here for their achievement. And thank you everyone for joining this meeting. It means a lot.
Thank you.
So, yeah.
Okay, Deepika, we should end the meeting now.
Yes, sir. So thank you, everyone. And congratulations to each and everyone present over here once again for your achievement.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello?